There's a nice thick aroma of pecan in the air.
That sounds like pecan.
I know, but it's pecan.
Oh.
Bacon.
Right, that
AKA.
explains it now.
Yeah, so apparently they're going to kill us with 6 pounds of bacon and some sort of food concoction in this episode.
I can barely believe it. Nope. Where is that? Where is it?
It's not there.
I'll find it.
Nope, can't.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Got it.
Yeah,
We made
so
it. We did it. Cheat day. I haven't looked at it yet. This is like first looks.
Ooh, like at your wedding?
Yeah, I didn't want to look at it, so I haven't seen it
Should
yet.
we do like a back-to-back prayer with each other?
Wait, but I don't want to see it, so it's front to front. Oh! It's like an inside-out Egg McMuffin.
We have the chef over there using a blowtorch, and I kind of want to do it right now.
Yeah!
Can I?
I don't know. Can you?
Is this age appropriate? No,
Fire away.
just hit what?
Don't worry about it, you'll figure it out.
Okay.
Push a little button down right below it.
Can I have the fire extinguisher? Okay, well, yep.
You just want it nice and hot. So often on this show, we
And burned. Smells good.
Thank you. I'll ask for that later. Thank you.
I can't believe you did it without burning the place down.
Okay, I think we should come up with a new one. Okay, ready? Cheers.
It's hot.
I torched it.
Oh man.
I'm
It's stuck in my mouth.
Yes! Can you order this like this at McDonald's? Is that possible?
This is way better.
So much better.
Egg McMuffins are like my hangover food. Wrap it in bacon. You're really close to my face right now. I might kiss you.
Really?
Well, if it gets you farther from my face.
What? That seems weird.
I was going to say, you wrap it in bacon and it's not like, it's like an upgraded, classier hangover food.
Yeah.
You know?
And you will
So
sleep
relatable.
for like 24 hours after you eat this because you will have gained 10 pounds and your body has to take 3 days to process it.
This looks like the same.
Are you sure?
Find out.
Oh.
It's a cheeseburger. It's a cheeseburger.
It's a donut.
It's a donut? I thought it was
Don't tell us! You nodded. Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Do you want to share it?
No? What do you mean?
Okay, I like my bacon crispy. No, yes, well done, not crispy. I'm trying to change my dialogue. I used to call it crispy, but people think it's low class.
I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. Why is there lemon inside of it? Spoiler, it's a lemon-filled donut.
Suddenly, I'm very sad.
Are they both lemon-filled?
No, you didn't want to share, remember?
I'm just gonna eat around the lemon, and then that might just be bacon.
Oh my God, that's really good.
Did you eat the lemon yet?
It's a little chewy.
You haven't made it to the lemon.
I did.
I don't see lemon.
Girl, you need to open your eyes. It's 2018.
Am I not woke enough for this donut?
Stay woke.
The lemon's like warm.
I'm getting in there. Hold on. I'm so excited. I just
What
don't like.
are you doing?
I don't like chewy bacon. I like it crispy.
The lemon like takes it too far for me.
I really like that.
Are you having a religious experience?
I really like that.
Did you eat the lemon?
I can already tell you're getting too full. Yeah. Save room, ladies. Guys, this next one was the inspiration for the episode.
Please save this. I really liked it.
What kind of cheese is this? Sharp cheddar?
Or Velveeta.
This is not Velveeta.
You're my kind of girl.
I'm gonna just poop immediately.
Yep.
Erin, that was a very small bite.
I'm trying to pace myself. I don't
You
want to
can't-
have a heart
You
attack.
didn't even get any bacon.
I did.
Okay, here's how I feel about this.
It's so good.
Have you ever had a grilled cheese with bacon on it?
Yep.
Did your hands get this greasy?
Nope.
That's how I feel about this.
But who cares when you're eating something so good?
There are no other bacon puns. I've been trying.
Kevin Bacon.
Not a pun, just a person.
That's the only bacon thing I know outside of bacon itself.
You don't gotta go to pork. No? Anybody?
Lauren,
Fifth
your
Harmony?
kids are gonna hate you so much.
Pork and pork.
You're doing this on the internet for them to find for the rest of your life.
Pork and pork don't rhyme.
Work and pork?
Though.
Pork.
Yeah.
Pork.
Fork. You better use your fork when you eat your pork.
Also not a pun, just a rhyme.
Yeah.
Oh, you know the old nursery rhyme.
What about you making me crazy?
Oh!
Did you Google that? This is literally the same thing.
No, it's an apple fritter. It's a bear claw. It's a bacon wrap, bear claw, apple fritter.
Right? I want to take you on a game show.
Is
I
there-
feel like we'd win a lot of money. Is that cottage cheese?
Ew, why would there be cottage cheese in a donut?
It's cheat day, girl. Welcome to the show.
Why are you taking it off?
Because I like the crispy parts with the food.
This is better than the lemon.
This looks like a honey bun.
Is this a honey bun? Like from the package?
Yeah, that used to give me honey bun vibes.
I used to eat honey buns for like lunch in high school.
Me too.
Like just honey buns.
Me too.
I was really skinny. It's my favorite so far. Like the bacon grease is seeped into the bacon.
It has like a maple, like a breakfasty vibe, for sure.
Yeah.
I like this. I've liked everything.
I think I've eaten too much. It just got really bad. It just makes like lard. Well, it's not the prettiest.
That's what they used to say about me in high school.
Aww. This actually looks, I mean, it doesn't look good, but it's enticing.
Well, you know, I've had chocolate chip pizza, which is savory and sweet, something you wouldn't think would go well together. And I used to make chocolate chip sandwiches with chocolate chips and bread. So I think chocolate chips and bacon sounds like a good, nice transition.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
But you have to have a piece with bacon, right?
I'm going to.
All right.
Ready?
No. Okay. Wow, there's a burp on the tail end of that burp.
This is why you shouldn't eat 6 pounds of bacon. All you do is fart and
How much bacon have we had?
too much.
Okay, let's do it. Oh yeah.
Yes, I agree.
No one asked you anything.
They will ask me, so I just want to tell them this.
This is interesting.
It's good.
I feel like the bacon keeps like seeping into the stuff,
It's greasy.
and all I can taste is bacon fat.
I really like this a lot. It
eating.
seems like some sort of like viral thing that you would put on Facebook.
Keep eating it.
Do you want me to stop talking? Is that what
I want you to really like it, because after a few bites you won't anymore. So,
Oh, here's a little moosh booze. Isn't that what this is called? A little moosh boosh?
a moosh boosh?
A moosh
A
boosh?
moosh boosh?
Whatever.
I don't know if I'm
It's a
saying it right
treat. It's a little taste.
Is this just a dinner roll wrapped in bacon?
No, that is a bagel roll. How's your mouth? Is it warmed up? Are your jowls all warmed up?
Why? You sound like Sean. I dare you to try to get everything in one bite. Not like the whole thing, because obvi, but like try to, can you get a bite with everything?
We've established on the show that I have a little mouth. Big throat, a little mouth.
Haven't seen that episode.
Okay, well, you'll be in for a treat. I'm
Big
gonna do
throat,
my best.
little mouth. That sounds like a Disney movie.
Does it?
I can't.
No.
I don't even know how to approach it.
You bitch.
Okay. I feel like a snake.
I have not, in fact, had a bite. I'm
Okay.
trying.
I can't get to the burger. I have pickles on here.
Oh, you're not? I love pickles.
I like taste of bacon.
Yeah, you only get sections of it. You can't get all of it. I can't. I think I'm gonna throw up. I don't know if I can, you guys. This was great. This was so tasty. I loved it. It was my favorite one. It has so much flavor and textures to it, and it's just really delicious. You should try it for your family feast.
I'm so hungry anymore.
It's so good. It's so good. I loved this one. Oh, I want to take that one to go. It's my favorite. I love this. It was such a fun episode. I'm so grateful. Oh my God! I thought something bad had happened.
For life, so the feeling is mutual.
Oh, I'm sorry. She scarred you. The people creator of the recipes. Oh my God, you guys scared me so bad. I thought something really bad had happened.
Yeah.
I'm just putting it back. Stick a fork in it. It's done.
That was good.
That was really good. You're so talented.
I just want to wipe it on the table.
It's psychotic. I think we should go. I think it's time.
Look, it's like when Jack is in Titanic with the grease and the hand on the windshield.
Yeah, the grease is to blame. Okay,
Wait,
guys.
ask them what foods we should wrap in what other foods.
No.
What? No, we're not asking those people anything.
You shut up, Jill.
These internet people are monsters.
You quiet.
Just tell them to subscribe.
You guys.
Just tell them to subscribe.
You guys, thank you for watching. I don't know what you just saw, but I appreciate you watching. Let us know if you want us to do more fun episodes and not bacon inspired. And we're gonna go poop and throw up. Ow! I didn't throw it at you, she did.
Betty.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Weirdest show ever. Weirdest show ever. Bye.
Click left to watch us get style for Coachella on Beauty Trippin', or click right to watch us try out boxing on Get Jacked.